Good day to all. This is Ms.REMYA, Assistant Professor from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, RMD Engineering College. This video we'll discuss on Mongo query language. So most of us would have known much about MySQL. So here we are going to see such kind of querying language which will be merely explained in term called as CRUD, where C stands for create, R for read, U for update, and D for delete. Similar to our normal MySQL, where the database schema will be a relational database type where we create tables, and in the table we insert information and we store our information. We make updations to our created table. We delete some information from a table. We keep adding new information to the table. So the normal MySQL operations will be creation of a database or creation of a table, inserting information to a table, updating information on a table, deleting the information from a table, or deleting a table as such. So similarly here, Mongo query language, where MongoDB is a kind where our database schema will be document database type. Here our creation will be mainly creating a collection. Unlike creating a table, we create a collection here, where in the collection we put our information as a document type. So C stands for create, where we will be mainly creating collection. So creating a collection, the syntax used for creating a collection will be db.create collection, where we will be creating an empty collection. So on an empty collection, to insert our document, we use db.collection.insert1 for inserting one document, or insert many for inserting many documents. So here this is one example of a collection with one document. Here student is a collection, so db.student.insert1, where in the collection student I have created a document for the name Sumit, age 20, branch CSE, course, and so on. So similarly we can create as many documents we need for the same collection. So next is going to be read operation. In CRUD we have now discussed about C create, and R stands for read. Read is similar to the normal select in MySQL. So select, we just try to find out what is there available in our table. We may try to put our selection with respect to certain conditions, like select star from table name where ID is so and so, or select star from table name, simply entire table information is being shown, or select C name from table name, something like that. On certain condition we may try to show the information available in the table. Similarly, we use find instead of select. We use find in CRUD, where db.collection. So every time the syntax starts db dot, then the collection name. So here our example is student. So db.student.findof. So find will simply show everything that is available in that collection. So similar to the select with some condition, you can also set certain condition like db.student.find with a condition ename equal to Sumit or something. Okay, that is how the read works. And update kind of doing some addition or removal or change of information on a table. Similarly here we do with respect to a document. Same kind of syntax is used, db.collection.update, where you just put some condition. So here you can see db.student.update. You're updating on the document with the name Sumit. You're setting the age to 24. So this one you can simply relate to the update query of SQL, where we write update something where your age equal to 24. So you are trying to update a table or update a row in a table, where you're giving a condition so that not every age is being changed. On particular, the Sumit's age alone is going to be changed. So that is how the updation works. And delete. So deletion could be deleting a document, or it could be deleting a collection itself. So where in MySQL 2 we do deleting a row or deleting a table as such. So here again db.student.delete one, it is going to delete one particular document. So you are just setting one attribute which is telling that you're going to delete the document for the name Sumit. And you can go and do the same for multiple documents and so. So for this topic, we have just discussed on Mongo query. Always when you're learning something new, try to match it up with something which you have already learned. So we have learned MySQL. Just see how MySQL and Mongo query differs. With that comparison, if you could study, then you can practically implement it in an easier way. So C for create, R for read, U for update, D for delete, where create, update, and delete kind of work similar to MySQL. Here read is something which is relevant to your select in the MySQL. Thank you.